Hello mga ka-basic. So for today's video, no, atin naman pong aalamin kung papaano nga ba yung tamang pagsosolve ng square of a binomial. Alright? So here sa square of a binomial, ito po yung pattern na dapat nating sundan. Kumbaga parang formula. No? So sa pattern ng square of a binomial, ito po siya. Let's say we have the square of the quantity x plus y. So kapag ganyan yung format ninyo, so addition, then it is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Dapat daw ganito yung lumabas dun sa square of binomial. Now, the second one is what if or how about if the square of binomial is subtraction naman. So, let's say the square of the quantity x minus y. So, kapag ganyan naman yung na-encounter ninyo, dapat ganito yung lumabas. So, ano yun? X squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Alright? So, like for example, eto. Paano natin siya isosolve? So, we have the square of the quantity x plus 5. So, dito, lagi ninyong ititreat lang na eto si x, eto si y. So, eto lagi si x, eto si y. Alright? So, since positive siya, so addition, ito dapat, ganitong format dapat yung lumabas sa kanya. Okay? So, x squared. So, dito tayo, x squared. So, we have x squared. Then, plus. So, nakita ninyo doon, may 2. So, 2 times, ito yung x, times, ito yung y. Alright? Plus, y squared. Asan ba si y? Ito si y, si 5. So, meron tayong 5 squared. Then, solve. So, we have x squared plus, 2 times x is 2x times 5, 10x. Plus, ang 5 squared is equal to 25. So, therefore, the answer is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay? So, example number 2, we have the square of the quantity x minus 7. So, as you can see, minus siya. So, ito yung format na makikita natin. Okay? So, solve natin. So, we have x squared. So, x squared. Then, minus. So, 2 times yung x times yung 7 plus yung 7 squared. Alright, so let us have x squared minus 2 times x is 2x times 7 is 14x plus ang 7 squared is equal to 49. Alright, so this will be the final answer. Next one, yung number 3, same procedure. So we have x squared. Since plus siya, ito yung susundan natin. Plus, 2 times yung x times yung 9 plus yung 9 squared. Then, we have x squared plus 2 times x is 2x times 9, 18x. Plus, ang 9 squared is 81. So, this will be our final answer. Okay mga ka-basic? So, ganun lang po kadali ang mag-solve ng square of a binomial basta't laging tatandaan yung ating pattern. Ito po siya. Alright? So, see you again mga ka-basic sa ating next video. Bye!